In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change or add a channel to your brand account. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube. Make sure you have already signed into your account. Now go ahead and click on the profile icon given at the top right. Navigate to the option settings. Once you're over here, click on the option advanced settings. Now here you're going to find the option of move channel. Click on this option, move channel or brand account. Now you'll need to verify. You'll be prompted to enter the password or the passcode. After you do that, you will be directed to this page. Here you will see a list of all brand accounts connected to your Google profile. I'm going to select this one. All you have to do is click on replace. Check in for this option. Click on the option delete channel. With this, your old account will be deleted and it will be replaced with the new account. And it has been converted to the brand account. So this way you are able to change or add a channel to your brand account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.